Good morning children, back to the class. Today we will be discussing about the English first lesson 28, fun with rhymes. Fun with rhymes. In the rhymes, when we say the rhymes, first LKG, UKG, you will be learning so many rhymes. So where we are, in the rhymes we see Johnny, Johnny, yes Papa, like that we will be learning so many rhymes are there. In that also there is a fun. Funny rhymes will be there. Fun with the rhymes. And here, read the poem, copy it, putting in the words you think you will end each line. So we have to end the each line. They have given option to us. So we have to do. Little Miss Muffet. So starting the poem is Little Miss Muffet sat on her dash, sat on her trophy. So first we can write trophy. Sat on her trophy, sat eating her curds and eggs. Curds and eggs. Next, there came a big dash spider. There came a big spider. Spider. The next, and sat down beside her. Sat down beside her. Next, and frightened Miss Muffet dash away. So, out of fear, she went from that little away. And frightened Miss Muffet away. So she came and sat on her trophy. So on her trophy she sat, eating her curds and waves. Means the curd whatever she is taking, she is eating. There came a big spider. So came and sat down beside her. Near that trophy she is sitting near Missy ke paas. Then and frightened Miss Muffet away. So seeing that spider, Miss Muffet ran from that place. This is the little rhyming poem they have given. And here they have given you exercise number 1. This is in exercise number 1. And in exercise number 2, what they are asking, they have given in front of each word, write 3 words which sound rhyme with it. So same rhyming words we have to write. What is that? We will see. Late, first one, exercise number 2. Late they have given. What they have given here? Late. What we have to write there? So, hate you can write H-A-T. Next, wait. Late, hate, wait. I-W-I-T. Gate. G-A-T-E. So, already this they have given. So, you have written. Like this you have to write. Next one, mark. Sharp. So mark already they have given. What we can write? Sharp. Sharp. Dark. The next one, bar. Sharp, dark, bar. The next one, mind. Mend. So mend, bend. So mend they have given. Bend. B-E-N. Bend. Length. L-E-N-D. Length. The next one, trend. T-R-E-N-D. Trend. So essay you have to complete. The next one, sing. Wind they have given. Sinking rain. Next one, quote. Short, boat, stroke. So like this you can complete by completing. And exercise number 3, you see exercise number 3, what they have given? You have to finalize the correct one. Rhyming word for that. Usi ka rhyming word. The missing word in each of the sentence rhymes with the word in the bracket. Fight. What will come? The lid of this jar is too tight. meet, pet. Met, pet. Met, this one, pet. So you can write there, met, pet. The next one, the sky is studded with dash, bars, stars. Bars, stars. Stars. The next, good dash I am of the bed. Light, night. Good night. So good night. Light and a night. Fifth one, please dash the tea. It is too cold. Meet, heat. Meet the rhyming word is the heat. Meet, heat. So this is the way rhyming words we have rhyming fun with the rhymes. So we have completed this lesson. I hope you have understood just the rhyming words you have done fun with the rhymes. So dear children, please complete the text, this one. In next class we will be seeing the words like to be confused. Some words are there, how they will be confused and all we will see. If you take the lesson number 29, lesson number 29 you take, lesson number 29. So what is that? Words likely to be confused. What the words confused? The words, some words are very confused. What is that words we will be seeing? Suppose some same sounds but the meaning will be different. They have given advice, instructions, instruct. So advice. The next one, bear. First you see bear, break, breath. The next one, cast, check, diary. So different meanings they have. If you take that one, advice you see, give other good advice. So advice again, instruct. He advised me to study. First one, give others good advice. This instruction we are giving and instruct. So second one is we are instructing to someone, give advice. He advised to me, study harder. Then bear, without leaves. The tree is bare, it has no leaves. Bear, the name of an animal. The bear is an huge animal. Park, a short period of rest. It is our lunch break. Break. It is our lunch break. That is about the short time of resting. The second break was device in a vehicle to make it stop. Apply brakes in the car. So each one here we can see any word we are taking. Next one is a spelling will be different here. Okay, the spelling of the word will be different. If you come to the before lesson, 27th lesson, we have seen the pronunciation will be same, but the spelling here also will be different. Here what is the spelling will be different, the meaning will be different, but the pronunciation will be, the words likely to become, the word of pronunciation it will be closer, but the words what we are using. So here that we have used in lesson number 27, there also the words spelling will be different, and meaning also will be different, but the word pronunciation will be similar. So that's why we confuse very fast. So here you see breathe and birth, and the next one I am here, birth. This birth is there. This one is first one what it tells about the when we are going in the train. It tells about the what is my berth number. Berth means the seat what you are going to sit. You have reserved. That is the berth in train. Berth. The next one birth. Then here also date of birth. So this here also birth and here also is a date of birth. We will see what is your date of birth. So this is a breath. This is the one. The next one is about the check. One check we use CHECK. CHECK. This is a check. And other one is also is a check. That is also CHEQU. Check. So what is the meaning here? This check means what? I am signing on the check and giving you. And this is when any things we are taking. Before you enter the airport, you have one. First they will be checking our luggage. So they will be standing there and checking the. And when you go to the malls also, they will be checking in our bags or just they will have the common check. So that is the two ways. So that about that we will see. Like this only they have given. And here one exercise they have given for this one. Just you have to find out. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one is Deepali forgot to bring her school dash. One is a diary is a milk diary will be there. Farm and all. So that one. Other diary is school diary. Here she is mentioning about the school diary. So school diary how D-I-A-R-Y school. So she forgot to bring the diary. The next one, we dash our old clothes. They look as new. So died. So here died means what? You gave for died. So this is the one. Means it becomes they put the some color and make it a new again. The next, my grandmother told me an interesting story. So two are there. What is the interesting story? Spelling what? S-T-O-R story. So this is the way you have to complete. They have given both words are there. You have to find out the correct meaning and complete the exactly. I will be giving you as a PDF. But read the lesson. Here more than explanation. When you read, you will understand. The words like to be confused. If you read, then you will understand what the differences between the both words. The pronunciation is same, but the spelling and the meaning is totally different in this particular lesson. I hope you have enjoyed the two lessons. Please refer the textbook and you will read again so that you will understand. Thank you all.